It's nothing, right? Nothing sucking. It sucks. This is the Dirt Devil Cordless Reach Max Plus. It's not that powerful. Maybe if you need to clean superficially, you know, a little bit here and there, this type of vacuum will help you. Yeah, but it's... How are you gonna get into the little areas like that? You can't. You won't get into small areas, and the crevice brush is not good enough, and you can't use it without an attachment. This is the Dirt Devil Cordless Reach 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, Max Plus. This was with taxes in Canada, 220 bucks or so. It's very small in profile. It's supposed to be pretty powerful, that's why we got it. It also swaps out to be a little tiny one, which is really what we want. And we want the crevice brush because we are picking up quite a lot of drywall and things like that. It's 24 volts lithium-ion battery, 4 times faster charging. Interesting. Fade-free power. I mean, all this stuff means absolutely nothing to me. What's in the box? So we've got the hand vac, powered wand. We got a upholstery tool. We got a carpet nozzle and a wall mount, which is right there. So let's open it up. Your vacuum has a filter. It needs you. Locate, rinse, dry, reuse. Okay, so that's really good because these filters you don't have to replace. Okay, first thing, this feels light, but it feels very cheap quality, in my opinion. Okay, now this, on the other hand, feels very, very high quality. It's actually pretty heavy, so it's actually very heavy. This is the wall bracket, so they provided you with 2 double adhesive tapes here, or you can permanently mount it with screws, and then this just sits down. There's a charging port right here that you plug in. Dirt cup release. Press this. Alright, press this button. This is your filter. This is your actual filter that you rinse. So take this out, take this out. Probably swap these up. Let's put it down. Alright. There is a rubber nozzle here. This is where the dirt ends out. There we go. Here's your crevice tool right here. That's cool that it's actually in here. Very clever design. This pipe has a connector here, and there's one here. So this one connects in like this. Alright, so that's in. 1 bar of power, which means we have to probably charge it up. This will fit. Yeah, so this will just locks in place, so we can do it on the short. Press this button, this will release it, and we plate this one, and then it locks in. So that's actually pretty interesting. It is heavy though. Seem pretty sturdy wheels. They're rubber, so they're not going to scratch your floor. But honestly, I still think the plastic feels a little. Like the whole thing feels cheap. And on the other side, they provided with a smaller little brush. Maybe this is the upholstery brush, because that seems to be the big guy. We have one more thing, which is the AC adapter. All right, so let's get this whole thing, I guess, going. I wish this was just gonna sit up here, but it doesn't. It just springs back. So there you have it. This is your nice set of tools from Dirt Devil. And now we're gonna see how it vacuums up and sucks up with all this mess. Right over here, got a big mess. All right. So let's see how it sucks. I don't know if it's doing that good of a job, but the crevice brush is pretty nice to go in corners like that. Let's take this off and let's just try it without the crevice brush. So now we're gonna just suck with this. I gotta admit though, it's already hurting my hand, and you know I go to the gym, so. It's not really doing anything. Like, what's going on? So something is really not working here. All right, so a big problem is when this is charging, you can't use the vacuum. Okay, unplug the charger. Try it now. It's nothing, right? Nothing sucking. It sucks.
Probably on the carpet setting or something. Maybe we need to switch it to the floor.
Okay, use the other one. Use this one. That's not doing anything. Let's try this one. Yeah, but it's... How are you gonna get into the little areas like that? You can't. You won't get into small areas, and the crevice brush is not good enough, and you can't use it without an attachment. Pretty useless without any attachment. This doesn't do any suction, and they only provided us with a little tiny crevice brush, which doesn't really suck up any big pieces. Yes, this is granted this is not a shop vac, but any vacuum cleaner that I've had in the past worked with or without an attachment. Yeah, but this takes way too long, right? But it is what it is. Well, when you're holding it, you keep turning the power on and off because it's so sensitive. Are you gonna take it all up? Sounds like it's pushing it, eh? Is it done? It's not picking anything. The suction is actually quite terrible. That does not come off that easily. It did pick up quite a lot. Obviously, it's not meant for this purpose, but that's not a lot compared to what I have been sucking out. Here's your filter. It shouldn't really matter because we're not sucking up anything different than this. It almost seems like I need a vacuum to clean this vacuum. So we're not going to bother rinsing this. We're just going to keep going because we need to keep going. But again, so far I'm not impressed at all with this. This is powerful, but what they failed is they failed to provide us with proper attachments. That's it. Like, put this on. There's suction here. see if we plug this in, if there is suction. There's suction now. Okay, so we're going to try this again. Come. I mean, sucking better now, but not really picking it up. Alright, so the consensus is this third devil is not powerful enough, I would say, for that's pretty terrible in my opinion, that you need to press that much to capture that little dirt. This is the Dirt Devil Cordless Reach Max Plus. It's not that powerful. Maybe if you need to clean superficially, you know, a little bit here and there, this type of vacuum will help you. Hope this video was somewhat helpful. It's also very heavy, so I honestly can't say that any part of this Dirt Devil is worth $220 at this point. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.